Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into why having multiple streams of income is crucial for financial stability and growth. We've all heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and that definitely applies to your finances. Relying solely on one source of income, like your 9-to-5 job, can be risky. What happens if you lose your job unexpectedly? Or if something happens that impacts your ability to work? That's where multiple streams of income come in. Financial security. It's something we all strive for, right? That feeling of comfort, knowing you can cover your expenses, handle unexpected costs, and plan for the future without constantly stressing about money. But here's the thing. True financial security goes beyond just having a good-paying job. It's about creating a solid financial foundation that can withstand life's inevitable curveballs. And that's where multiple income streams come into play. Think of it like building a house. Would you rather have your house supported by one single pillar or multiple strong pillars strategically placed for maximum stability? Having multiple streams of income is like building those extra pillars. It provides a safety net, a buffer, so that if one income stream weakens or disappears altogether, you've got others to fall back on. Imagine this. You lose your job unexpectedly. It happens, right? Now, if your entire livelihood depends on that one paycheck, you're immediately in a vulnerable position. The pressure is on to find a new job quickly, and you might have to settle for something less than ideal just to make ends meet. But if you have other income streams flowing in, whether it's from a side hustle, investments, or rental property, you're in a much stronger position. You have more time to find the right job, and you're not forced to make rash decisions out of financial desperation. That's the power of multiple income streams. It's about taking control of your finances, reducing risk, and creating a safety net that gives you peace of mind and financial freedom. Let's face it, job security isn't what it used to be. Companies downsize, industries shift, and automation is changing the job market as we know it. It's more important than ever to have a backup plan, and multiple income streams are the ultimate safety net. Imagine this. You're laid off from your job. It's a tough situation, no doubt. But instead of panicking, you take a deep breath and remind yourself that you've been preparing for this possibility. See, you've got that side hustle you've been building, the one that brings in a steady stream of extra cash each month. And let's not forget about those dividend-paying stocks you've been consistently investing in, building a passive income stream over time. Suddenly, losing your job doesn't feel like the end of the world. It's a setback, sure, but you've got options. You've got that extra income coming in to cover your bills while you search for a new job or even explore new career paths. That's the peace of mind that comes with having multiple income streams. It's like having an insurance policy for your financial well-being. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so if one basket falls, you've got others to cushion the blow. And here's the best part. Building multiple income streams doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about starting small, taking action, and gradually building those streams over time. Let's be real. Who couldn't use a little extra cash? Multiple income streams aren't just about safety and security. They're also about unlocking your earning potential and achieving your financial goals faster. Think about it. Relying on a single income stream, especially from a traditional job, often means your income is limited by factors outside your control. You're at the mercy of annual raises, company performance, and office politics. But when you diversify your income streams, you break free from those limitations. You become the CEO of your own financial destiny, with the power to explore new opportunities and create multiple avenues for wealth creation. Imagine this. You discover a passion for photography and start selling your prints online. Or maybe you leverage your skills to offer freelance writing services in your spare time. These side hustles, driven by your passions and talents, have the potential to generate significant income beyond your 9-to-5. And as you build these income streams, you'll likely discover new skills, expand your network, and uncover hidden talents you didn't even know you had. It's a journey of personal and financial growth, all fueled by your willingness to explore new possibilities. Remember, building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about creating a life of abundance, where you have the resources to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and design a future you're excited about. You've heard it before. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's a classic piece of advice, and it applies perfectly to building a solid financial future. Relying solely on one income stream, no matter how secure it seems, is inherently risky. Think of it like this. If you invest all your money in a single stock and that stock plummets, your entire investment takes a hit. But if you diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, industries, and geographies, you're spreading the risk. The same principle applies to your income. By diversifying your income sources, you're essentially creating a financial safety net that can withstand unexpected events. Let's say your primary income comes from the real estate industry. What happens if the market takes a downturn? Having other income streams such as freelance writing or online courses can help you weather the storm without derailing your financial progress. Diversification isn't just about mitigating risk, it's also about capitalizing on opportunities. When you have multiple income streams, you're better positioned to seize new opportunities as they arise. For example, if you've built a successful side hustle while working your 9-to-5, you might be able to transition to that side hustle full-time if the opportunity presents itself. Or, you can reinvest the profits from your side hustle into other income-generating assets, further diversifying your portfolio and accelerating your wealth-building journey. Here's a secret. Building multiple income streams isn't just about the money, it's about personal growth, expanding your skill set, and unlocking your full potential. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, embracing challenges, and discovering hidden talents you didn't even know you had. Think about it. When you start a side hustle or explore new income-generating opportunities, you're forced to learn new skills, develop new mindsets, and become more adaptable to change. These are invaluable life skills that extend far beyond your finances. Maybe you've always wanted to learn how to code. Starting a side hustle as a freelance web developer not only allows you to earn extra income, but also equips you with in-demand skills that can open up new career opportunities down the line. Or perhaps you're passionate about photography and decide to sell your prints online. As you navigate the world of e-commerce, marketing, and customer service, you're developing an entrepreneurial mindset that empowers you to take control of your financial future. And let's not forget about the confidence boost that comes with building something from the ground up. Seeing your hard work translate into tangible results, whether it's a growing client base or a steady stream of passive income, does wonders for your self-esteem and belief in your abilities. Building multiple income streams is a journey of self-discovery. It's about pushing your limits, embracing challenges, and realizing that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to start thinking differently about your income and explore the possibilities of building multiple streams of wealth. Remember, achieving financial freedom isn't about winning the lottery or stumbling upon a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and building a solid foundation for a secure and abundant future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom.